up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Now that we have our new backyard, I thought the dolls could use some swimwear. Hello, Rainbow High Swim in Style. These dolls have been out for a minute. Regularly priced at $14.99, I picked these two up at Target for $11.99. On the back of the box, they show 4 dolls ready for a little fun under the sun. We have Skyler Bradshaw, Sunny Madison, Ruby Anderson, and Violet Willow. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, these dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. This doll doesn't have sparkles or glitter on its skin. This doll has long hair. There's a little bit of product in it. We do have a little shedding. This doll has a center part with the front pulled back. Her ears are pierced. She has eyelashes and inset eyes. I'm not a doll hair person, but the hair does feel kind of hard to me. And I have feelings about the reduced articulation. But if this is meant to be Rainbow High's swim doll / budget doll, I understand. And I would compare it to like a Barbie fashionista, with the basic 5 points of articulation and removable fashion. Barbie fashionistas run around $10.99. This one was regularly priced at $14.99 and comes with a few accessories. Barbie fashionistas do come with an outfit and shoes and an accessory. This one comes with a bracelet. So the swimsuit is the outfit. Here are the shoes. These are glitter purple heels. And we could say the sunglasses are the accessory. But she also comes with a purse that is open at the top and a sparkly piece of fabric for a wrap. So we're getting a few more accessories than a basic Barbie fashionista. Violet comes wearing a lavender, pink, and purple bathing suit. The 2 pieces are connected on the side, and there's a small tie on the other. But we want to know, how does the fit? Here it is on a petite Barbie. Since it's attached at the side, it is pulling a little, but it's a pretty easy fit on a petite Barbie. Here it is on a classic Barbie. We could get it to fit, but again, it is pulling slightly on one side. I was thinking about separating them, but wow, it looks kind of great on a curvy. The Velcro closes neatly in the back. Everything is covered. So I'm just gonna leave it as is because it looks pretty good on a curvy. Here it is on an Illy Forever doll. It's a pretty decent fit, and she can fit the shoes. I put the Naturalista page on the Naturalista Grace's body so we can get some elbow articulation, and I think the bathing suit is a pretty nice fit here as well. And Naturalistas can fit the shoes. Here's the bathing suit on Monster High Gen 3 Cleo. It's a little loose, but you could probably get away with it, but I was able to get the shoes on. It's a little large for Draculaura, but Monster High has a couple of different body types. So here's Abby, and the bathing suit is a perfect color for her, and the fit is pretty good. Here's the back. I'm gonna say this is definitely a winner for Abby. However, the shoes don't fit. When I was at Walmart, I found Catty Noir on the shelf. Priced around $24, Catty Noir is making her G3 debut. Here she is, out of the box. She comes with long pink hair with braids. There are straight pieces and braided pieces. Her hair is pulled up into a ponytail with a pink elastic. Her cat ears are poking out the top. She does have an earring. She has pink painted edges, pink eyes, pink eyebrows, little stars under her eyes, and a really pretty ombre lip color. I love it. She has fur sculpted onto the sides. This is a curvy Monster High doll with all the usual articulation. There's movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, chest articulation, hip, and knee. She comes wearing tall pink boots, has a tail that I'm not sure is removable. There are a few silver painted details on her shoes. She comes wearing a pink jacket. I think it's vinyl. There is Velcro under the arms. so we can remove it. She wears a silver colored necklace with the number 13. She wears a dress that is a shiny silver material on one side and pink at the bottom. They are sewn together, and she wears a pink belt with silver painted details. She comes with her pet, Amulet, a plastic heart-shaped backpack with silver chains for straps, and the heart can open. She comes with a black piece of paper that's folded. I think it's supposed to be a book or a binder. It has a number 13 on the front, and there is music inside. We get a small water bottle with the number 13, a heart-shaped cat mirror that is cracked, a microphone that has a hand bracket that says Catty, blue heart cat eye glasses that are cracked, and a silver cell phone that is also cracked. The back of the cell phone has the number 13. And here is the bathing suit on Catty Noir. It wasn't difficult to get on the doll, but we did have to make some concessions for the tail. It's nice to see that a lot of dolls can fit this swimsuit, but it looks a tiny bit large on a Disney store body. It's Lady Tremaine from Cinderella. And here's Octavia, our Integrity Toys doll. It's a little loose and it's pulling up on one side. Here is Swim in Style Sunny wearing a one-piece bathing suit. It's yellow with a RH on the chest. There's a sun on the side. She has blonde hair where the front is cut into a little bob and it hangs down in the back. She has a center part with bangs, a yellow sparkly wrap that we can tie around her waist to switch up her style. I'm not doing super great at following these instructions. Maybe we can turn this into an easy tube dress or something. Sunny also comes with sunglasses, a fish purse that is open, and yellow glitter wedges. This bathing suit velcros in the back, and it was pretty easy to get it on a petite. The fit is not too bad, but it is a little high on the sides. On a classic Barbie, it's also a high cut, but it looks pretty good on a curvy. It stops right at the leg joint, so all right. And we had no problem closing it in the back. It has a high cut on an Integrity Toys doll, as well as a Disney Store doll. It's a decent fit on a Naturalista, but again, a little high on the leg. I think the Naturalista can get away with the shoes. We get similar results with Illy Forever. We can see her painted undergarments, but we can get away with the shoes. I think it's a little large on Draculaura, mainly at the top, but the legs fit pretty good, and so do the shoes. On Cleo, it's also a little loose, but if you don't mind taking it in a little, I think it could totally work. And Cleo can fit the shoes. It's a nice fit on Catty. It was pretty easy to get on, looks good around the legs, and the back is near perfect with the Velcro, and she can fit the shoes. And I just noticed that she has sculpted fur around her ankles. And the bathing suit looks near perfect on Abby. Here's Skyler in a strapless one-piece bathing suit. It has a denim print, and it velcros in the back. She has blue hair, glitter eyeshadow. Her hair does have a little product in it. It might need some attention out of the box. But for the most part, it feels pretty soft. She comes with blue sunglasses. She comes with a blue bag, blue transparent heels, and a blue shiny wrap that has a few holes from the packaging. On a petite Barbie, the bathing suit stops just below the chest. So we can totally use this bathing suit as bottoms, but we might need to find a top. We get similar results with a classic Barbie and a curvy. Here it is on an Integrity Toys doll, where I wrapped the wrap around her chest to make a top. Let's take the blue fabric and let's cut about 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches from the top, making sure it can stretch out to the sides. With the good side facing down, let's just fold over the top and the bottom, sew Velcro onto the ends. Since mine has a pretty large hole in the fabric, we're just gonna make a knot in the center to make a quick bathing suit top that can fit our Barbies as well. Here it is on Lady Tremaine with a Disney Store body. With our DIY top, it's not too bad. We're getting similar results on a Naturalista, However, the shoes aren't really staying on. Here's an Illy Forever doll. The shoes are loose. The bathing suit almost fits Draculaura. The top is a little loose, but the shoes are pretty much staying on. It's too loose for Cleo, too snug for Catty, but perfect on Abby. Monster High, if you're out there, can we get more body types like Abby's? Because she is looking great in these Rainbow High swimsuits. And here is Ruby. Out of the box, her hair might need some attention. Yeah, there's a lot going on, and it does have product in it. She does have some glitter eyeshadow. She comes wearing a one-shoulder red Rainbow High bathing suit. It has RH in little gold letters all over it, and it velcros in the back. She comes with red shiny fabric, a red bag that says Rainbow High, red and gold sunglasses, and red heels with an RH. It's a decent fit on a petite Barbie, a little big around the legs. It's a high cut on a classic Barbie, but I think it looks pretty good on the top. However, the letters are being stretched a little. On a curvy Barbie, the letters are being stretched as well. But the fit of the bathing suit? Wow, it looks great on these curvy Barbies. I can close the Velcro in the back and everything. It's a high cut on Octavia and Lady Tremaine and a Naturalista, where I can get one shoe to stay on and the other one keeps falling off. The shoes are a good fit on an Illy Forever doll, but the bathing suit has a high cut on the leg, so we see her painted undergarments. I think the bathing suit is a little large on Draculaura, but doable, and the shoes are staying on. I think it's a little too loose on Cleo, but it works for Catty, even with a tail, and the shoes are staying on as well. And here is our girl Abby with an absolutely perfect fit. And if you're looking for Rainbow High fashion packs, well, I found this one at Walmart. It was $7 and some change. I saw other ones there. I could pick the one that I wanted. This one is called Pool Day. The bathing suit is white with rainbow stitching. Unfortunately, I popped a stitch just getting it on the Rainbow High doll. But that's just my experience and yours could be different. It comes with a colorful sheer robe with working drawstrings. We have orange sunglasses, shoes with an ankle strap. I found them a little challenging to get on. We get a pink bag and a coconut drink with a blue umbrella. It has a finger bracket so the dolls can hold it. I just repaired the broken stitch. Now let's try it on the dolls. Here it is with a petite Barbie. It's a decent fit and the doll can hold the coconut drink. The leg has a high cut on a classic Barbie, but we're still gonna rock it this summer. It looks good on a curvy Barbie. It's a high cut on the leg for an Integrity Toy doll. I like the fit of the robe. On a Disney Store doll, we can see their painted undies. On a Naturalista, it's also a little high on the leg, but not too bad. And this doll can easily fit the shoes. Here it is on an Illy Forever doll. The shoes fit, but they were a challenge. It's a little big on Draculaura, but doable. The robe and shoes fit as well. I think it's a little large for Cleo. The bathing suit is a good fit on Catty, and it's not too bad with the robe, even though she has a tail. And here's Abby, who looks great in all the swimsuits. I love that all the swimsuits are fabric and can fit a couple of different dolls. Loving the fashion packs, and I hope to see more. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few bathing suits. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.